In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your blog post for publishing, okay? So I am inside a Squarespace site, and let's see, once you log in, you're going to click on website. And as you can see under pages, we have all the pages on this site. I'm going to click on blog. And as you can see, we have these are our blog posts, okay? So when you go to add a new blog post, you just click on the plus sign, and then you can start creating a new post. If you click on there, you can add your title here, and this is where your post copy would go, and you can insert images wherever you need to, or videos or whatever, okay? So at this point, we're going to save and exit. But I'm going to show you how to publish the post using another post that I've got in process, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is click on that, and as you can see, it's pretty much ready to go. But we're going to come over here and click on the three dots. Click on Settings, and now we're going to add a cover image that's going to go on the general blog post page. So in this case, I'm going to use an image that's already on the site. So I'm going to click on Search for Images. And I'm going to use this image. So I'm simply going to click Add. And then here I'm going to add kind of like an introduction to the blog post. So what I'm going to do is save that and come over here and copy. Okay, let's say we'll copy that intro. So I'm going to come back, click on Settings, and I'm ready to introduce the blog post. And this is actually a little long, so I'm going to take out that and leave it as a 2-paragraph intro, okay? The next thing we're going to do is click on Options, and you can see the status is draft because it's not published yet. But as soon as we get ready to publish it, I'll show you that. We're going to start with categories. So this is where we add our categories, and I would suggest identifying a few categories for your blog based on what you intend to write about or publish about. And so in this case, the artist we've started out with these categories, right? That may change eventually. But I'm going to add this one on behind the scenes. Maybe that should be changed to in the studio, but let's say we're going to keep this category. So that's the one I'm going to use for this post. So I'm going to go back into Settings, Options, Categories, and I'm going to add behind the scenes. Hit Return. Okay, so now it's got a category, and now under tags we can add several tags that are sort of descriptive keywords about the content in the blog post. So in this post, we wrote about a book by this author, the title of the book, and let's see, we can add another tag. You can continue to add tags, but I wouldn't add too many. Just be strategic about the ones that you're going to add. Let's see, we want people to be able to leave comments, so I'm going to turn that on. And let's head down to SEO. And you can see this is what the blog post would look like in a Google search. So it's got the title of the blog post and the site title. Okay, you can change the title of the post, and in this case this might be a little long, so maybe we'll just make it this, and now you can see it's changed and it's a shorter overall title, which makes it easier to read. And under SEO description, then again we might want to, whoops, sorry about that. We're going to want to add more information about the content of that blog post. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm heading back to Settings, SEO, and under SEO description, I'm going to add this. and it should be shorter. So let's see. I'm going to take that out. And it's good now, so I'm going to leave that there. We can check on social image right now. That if I were to share this on social media, it would show the artist's sort of logo. So again, I can change this here or add an image. I'm not going to add a new one, so maybe we'll search for an image that I've included in that post. Let's see, it should be kind of a horizontal one, so I'm going to use this one for now. Okay, and that is it. So now once I've done all of that, then we're basically ready to, oh, one more thing we can check actually. Under content, you can look at the post URL, and you can also make changes here. So for example, you want to make sure that you're using keywords that'll help turn this blog post up in a search, a relevant search. So let's take this out. Celebrating fiber arts, and you can take my out because that makes it harder to find, in sculptural mixed media journey. Okay, so let's keep it like that. I'm satisfied with that, and we can save that. Then once you're ready to publish, as you can see, this is in draft mode. You're going to come over here again to settings, options, and under status, then you can click on published, select the date. So I can publish this today, or I can select another date in the future, and you can even adjust the time to publish it. Okay, I'm not actually going to publish this post now because the artist is going to review the content and publish it when she's ready, but that's how you do that. So I'm going to go back to draft, and I'm going to click save. So that is it. Once you click that published, then you'll see the post pop up on your blog post page. Right now she has her first post, so that would technically be the second one. And I'm gonna go ahead and delete this here. That's it. That's how you publish a blog post on Squarespace 7.1.